Dear, very welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm talking about the basic things about vehicle insurance policy that one must know about his or her vehicle insurance policy. So interesting thing is that we all take vehicle insurance policy, but many of us are not aware of his basic things that one must know about his or her vehicle insurance policy. So watch this video till the end, and before moving on, there is one request. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and press that bell icon also. Mainly, a vehicle insurance policy has got two important components. First component is called the on damage premium component, and the second part is called the third party liability component. So first let us understand what is meant by on damage premium component. On damage premium is the premium that covers any damages caused to your vehicle due to accident, collision, fire, theft, etc. So one more important thing that you must know, which is coming under on damage premium component, is that IDV. IDV refers to means Insured Declared Value. Insured Declared Value is nothing but a market value calculated for a vehicle by your insurance company. This is the maximum amount an insurance company can provide to you if your vehicle is damaged due to accident, collision, theft, fire, etc. And one more important thing you must know that is coming under on damage premium policy, on damage premium part, is that NCB. NCB means no claim bonus. The name itself gives a clear meaning what is meant by NCB. NCB means if you are not making any claim during your policy period, you are eligible for a discount when you renew your policy next year. Let's take an example. You have not made any claim during the first policy period and you are renewing your policy for the second year, and suppose your on damage premium component is 5,000. So when you are renewing for the second year, and assume that on damage premium amount remains the same, that is 5,000. So as per NCB chart, if you have not made any claim during the first policy period, you are eligible for 20% discount during the second period, during the second policy period. And 20% of 5,000 is that 5 into 2, 10,000 rupees. So instead of paying on damage premium policy as 5,000, you need to pay only 4,000 during the second period. This NCB claim, NCB discount goes on increasing progressively until it reaches 50% discount. NCB chart is like this. For the first year no claim, it is 20%. For the second year no claim, it is 25%, and third year it is 35%, fourth year it is 45%, and fifth year it is 50%. So ensure that if you had made any claim in the previous policy period, you must ensure that you are getting that NCB discount in the next policy period. So while renewing your policy, make sure that you are applying for NCB discount. And one more important thing you must know about NCB is that NCB is given to the insurance policy holder, not to the vehicle. So if you are selling your vehicle to a second party, NCB is retaining with you. That means NCB is not going with your vehicle, sold vehicle. So if you are purchasing a new vehicle, you can apply your NCB to the new vehicle. And another important thing you must remember is that NCB discount is applicable only to your on damage premium policy, and it is not applicable for the third party premium policy. So let's move on and understand what is meant by third party premium policy. Third party premium policy, its name itself gives a clear meaning. If any damage caused to the third party property or third party person's life, or any person is injured, damaged by your vehicle, insurance company is liable to pay an amount to that third party. This amount is normally decided by the court after legal case. So third party liability premium is the premium which covers policy amount for the third party damage or loss, and the amount will be decided by the court. And apart from these Two, on damage premium policy part and third party liability policy, you must understand that there is one more term, that is personal accident coverage for owner driver. While taking a policy, you must take this coverage because this coverage gives a coverage of 15 lakhs coverage to the owner driver for a minimum amount, maybe 500 rupees or 250 rupees or 750 rupees depending on your vehicle. So don't forget to take personal accident coverage for owner driver. That is very important. And apart from that, you can take accidental coverage for your co-passengers also. That also is for very small amount, maybe 50 rupees. You may get 1 lakh each coverage for each passenger. So apart from this on damage premium policy and third party liability policy, you can take a personal accident coverage for owner driver and your co-passengers also. So while taking and renewing your insurance policy, you can remember all these things. And if you are not going for on damage premium component, you can go with only with this third party liability policy and personal accident coverage for owner driver. And while driving, you must remember these two things. The driver has a valid driving license and he is not under the influence of alcohol. If the driver breaks any of these rules, terms and conditions provided, put forward by insurance company, you will not get any claim amount. So I hope you have got a clear understanding about your on vehicle policy, and keep watching this channel, and I'll be uploading new videos on new topics on this channel. Thank you for watching, and that request again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon also. Thank you.